day. My teachers, dear parents, our classmates and schoolmates, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Childhood is the greatest part of our existence. This is where we learn and play at the same time. We learn through games and interactive play, but childhood is not just about playing. Most importantly, this is the part where we establish the basis of our personality. Our parents guided us through all those years. I wouldn't be here if not for both of you, Mama and Papa, and with that I thank you with all of my heart. Of course, teachers patiently taught us everything we need to know, from classic Cinderella to Bible praises. Teachers, you've done a great job. And most of all, bro, thank you for all the blessings. It is still a long journey ahead of us, a lot of things to learn, and a lot of people to meet along the way. No matter how tough our paths may be, let's continue struggling under His guidance and continue to be a child at heart. Thank you, and once again, good afternoon.